Over about the last year and a half, we've been experimenting and perfecting our services with Nuvan Strips. Nuvan Strips have been out for a while, but just like most new pest control products, you want to see how they're doing, always test them out before implementing them into use and into your purchasing schedules. Nuvan Strips are great in conjunction with regular spot treatment and other services to be used in utility rooms, janitor closets, and we love using them in the hoppers of trash compactors. We're finding very good success in those three areas. There are limits to where you can use these Nuvan Strips, and they're not a one product solve all. Actually, we were very hesitant with Nuvan Strips because, exciting claims of always hang this in a room and it'll take care of all your pests. That usually doesn't work. But again, in conjunction with other services, regular inspections, these Nuvan Strips have turned out to be a great product.